Reynolds here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along Bob Iacino. Let me zoom in here for a second. So strong rotation up today, briefly pausing under 883.35. You might say, hey, well, it looks like it just went right through it. Let's take a look at that 1 hour chart. Look at that. Right there, pausing there, moving sideways, and then moving through, which also, if you wanted to use the 1 hour chart, you could then use that area to come up with the next key levels, and I'd actually raise it now to the most recent swing instead of the longer term swing, and that would give you these levels right here. It would have given you 899, so essentially 900 as your next level. What we're going to do, I'm just going to come up here right now. It's not officially a pausing bar, so we might have to modify that tomorrow, but it's the end of the day. It's that nice little bar there. You can see now where I've moved this up to the most recent due to this long consolidation. We already hit all those next levels. So what are we looking at for tomorrow? Above about 9, let me move this over. Above about 903, we have now a major cluster right around 920, 922, so that's your next target area. Then 937.92, those are your next key areas. On a pullback, we're pretty far away from the 4 hour rotation zone, very overbought. I'm going to watch the 1 hour right here, just because we're so far away from the 4 hour. So about 885 is the first level. Then I will jump down to the 4 hour, 885 and down about 855. If we did drop back below that, we'd be looking at 838. About that's where this prior resistance was, and the near the bottom of the rotation zone. So those are all your key levels on any pullbacks and your key move higher. We are in very overbought condition on the 4 hour. Looking at the daily, we're definitely in overbought condition. That doesn't mean we have to stop. It's just something to keep in mind. Also, about that, we were at 838. About 835 is the major support level on the daily, and we still have this gap. So keep that gap in mind should we head lower. The first level of support for before any gap fill is the prior day's low before the gap fill, so that would be 854.10. So if we did pull back, 854.10 is key, and then if we start filling those gaps, you can use those 4 hour levels, or you can come down and just watch it on the daily chart. That's what we're looking at with Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.